Hey guys, what's happening? Trevor from Generation High Output, and today I am excited for two reasons. Number one, we are going on a road trip. We're going on a 3-hour journey to go pick up a car that my friend bought at a surplus auction. And the second reason is that we're renting a car to get there, and we don't know what kind of car we're gonna get. He took the manager special, so it could be anything. Could be kind of a lame car, could be kind of a cool car, or just a normal, boring rental car. So we're gonna go find out right now. All right, so we're at the rental car place. Let's see what we get. Looks like we're getting the Nissan. What do you think about the Versa?
It's shitty. I don't know. It's small. It's slow. Underperforms in every level.
So that's it. New car. Looks cool.
So make sure you're not locked out of that before.
Yeah, definitely. So we're in Sierra Vista. We just got the car. Brian picked it up and we're about to go into the DMV and get it registered. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but check it out. Here it is. Just got the temp tag ready to head back to Phoenix. How many auction cars have you bought now?
You get a real answer out of me.
Okay, so what's happening now is that we're going to take the rental car and drop it off, and then we're going to take this car home. So I'm going to drive over there and follow my friend to the rental place. So, checking it out here. A couple of first impressions on driving the car. There's a little bit of a shudder in the steering wheel when you go about 40 miles an hour. It could be that maybe the wheels need to be balanced. And then there's also kind of a gravelly sound when taking off from a stop. It could be maybe it just needs an oil change, or maybe it's pinging a little bit, maybe it needs some higher octane gas. But other than that, feels pretty solid for the price. Feels pretty good. It's got about 120,000 miles on it, and again, this thing was only $1,700. So I haven't actually explained what this car is about. This is not going to be a new project car for us or anything like that. He is actually buying this car for a friend who needs a cheap, reliable car, and a surplus Crown Victoria definitely fits that bill. So this is not going to be featured in any future videos or anything like that, but we just wanted to bring you along for the ride and show you the adventure of picking up a car that you bought at a surplus auction. So this is the car that we brought home yesterday. What we're going to do now is pull it into the garage and clean it up a little bit. So one thing I didn't mention is why we would drive 3 hours away to go buy a auction car when there are plenty of auction cars available here for sale locally. The reason is that there's a lot of different grades of auction vehicles. Most of these are used patrol cars. A lot of them don't have carpet, and may be in pretty rough shape. So this one, being only about 120,000 miles, is comparatively lower than some of the other ones that might be 200,000 miles or more, and are usually pretty used up by the time they go up to auction. Again, this one's not that bad, so if it were for sale here in the big city, it might have commanded a higher price. Because it was so far away, it was more affordable. Got the seats removed, getting ready to steam clean the inside. A quick vacuum and it's already looking way better. Getting ready to do the shampoo next. It's a little rough on the outside, but this is all cosmetic stuff. You know, as long as the car runs fine and gets you where you need to go, what else matters, right?